you ever wondered why some coffees feel like an experience while others just get the job done? What if the coffee you choose says more about you than you realize? In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of specialty coffee shops versus commercial coffee shops. And trust me, the difference goes far beyond taste. By the end, you'll not only know which shop deserves your next visit, but also uncover some surprising truths about what you might be missing. Stay tuned, because one of these choices could be costing you much more than you think. Specialty coffee shops treat their beans like gold. They source single-origin beans, often from small farms that focus on sustainable and ethical practices. Every bean has a story, and every sip tells you where it's from. Now, contrast that with commercial coffee shops. Their focus is on volume. To meet demand, they rely on mass-produced blends, where quality can take a backseat to consistency. Sure, it's drinkable, but does it make you feel anything? Here's the kicker. By choosing lower quality coffee, you might be unknowingly supporting farming practices that harm the environment and exploit workers. Specialty coffee shops, they're changing that narrative. Have you ever watched a barista at a specialty coffee shop? It's almost hypnotic. They use methods like pour-over, French press, or manual espresso, techniques that are all about unlocking the bean's full potential. Now step into a commercial coffee shop. It's all about speed. Automated machines churn out cup after cup, designed to keep lines moving and customers satisfied. Efficient? Yes. Personal? Not so much. Here's the reality. Specialty coffee shops focus on craft. Commercial coffee shops focus on convenience. So ask yourself, what's more important to you? Let's talk taste. Specialty coffee isn't just coffee. It's an experience. Each cup is an adventure with flavors ranging from citrus and berries to chocolate and caramel. It's like wine tasting, but for coffee lovers. In commercial coffee shops, the goal is consistency. The flavors are muted, often masked by syrups, creams, or sugar, to appeal to the broadest audience possible. But here's the secret most people don't know. By choosing commercial coffee, you might be robbing yourself of the chance to truly taste coffee for what it is. Imagine eating a gourmet meal blindfolded. Why would you settle for that? Baristas are the heart and soul of any coffee shop. In specialty coffee shops, these professionals are artists. They've trained for years to understand beans, brewing methods, and even latte art. Every cup they make feels personal. In commercial coffee shops, baristas are more like assembly line workers. Their training focuses on speed and efficiency, which means there's little room for creativity or passion. Here's the twist. Supporting specialty coffee shops doesn't just give you better coffee, it supports the art and craft of coffee itself. Walking into a specialty coffee shop feels different, doesn't it? The ambiance is calm, intentional, and designed for connection. It's a place where you can slow down and truly enjoy your coffee. Commercial coffee shops, on the other hand, are built for convenience. They're busy, functional, and often feel more like a pit stop than a destination. Here's what's at stake. Do you want your coffee moment to feel special, or is it just another task on your to-do list? Let's get real. Coffee is more than just a drink. It's a global industry that impacts millions of lives. Specialty coffee shops are leading the charge in ethical sourcing, fair trade, and sustainability. They're not just making better coffee, they're making a better world. Commercial coffee shops? While some are making strides, many still rely on practices that prioritize profit over people and the planet. Here's the hard truth. Every coffee purchase is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. Which side are you on? So, specialty or commercial, what's your choice? If you value quality, craftsmanship, and ethics, specialty coffee shops are calling your name. But if convenience and familiarity are your top priorities, commercial coffee shops still have their place. But here's the challenge. Next time you grab a cup of coffee, take a moment to think. What are you truly paying for? And what are you missing out on? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you team specialty or team commercial? And if this video gave you a fresh perspective, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your coffee-loving friends. Until next time, keep sipping. Keep exploring, and remember, coffee is more than just a drink.